welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Ranowska and I am a family law specialist practicing family law in San Francisco. Today I would like to talk about COVID-19 and what to do if you are stuck with an abuser. Who is an abuser? Abuser could be a parent, a boyfriend, husband, relative, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, anyone related to you other than roommate. And abuse is defined as physical abuse or also emotional abuse. If you're in that situation and it becomes unbearable, I will list down below hotlines to call and find out more information. But this video is designed to give you more guided information what to do in terms of actions. So first thing first, I would call the police and get a criminal restraining order. Typically that lasts for about 5 days. And then it expires and the abuser can come back. So if you don't want that to happen, in those 5 days you have another option is to file domestic violence restraining order with Superior Court in your county. And right now, although it seems like everything is closed, courts accept domestic violence restraining orders. If you don't know how to fill out the forms and you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, I will link down below self-help information how to fill out the forms where you could be the protected person and also your children. So let's assume you filled out the forms and you're not able to leave the house to drop them off. What you could do is to fill them out online, and there's a software called HelloSign where you can sign it and you can find a process server. I usually use either local process server, Swift, or OneLegal, and they submit the restraining order with the court, and they also the ones who are picking it up and emailing it to me. So basically you can get restraining order without leaving the home if you are not able, if you have children or whatever the situation is. So once you've done that and the court granted you a restraining order, then the restraining order needs to be served on the abuser by someone other than you who is over 18 years, and it could be again process server, OneLegal, anyone over 18, an adult, and then that restraining order becomes effective. So, and that's temporary, and the court will give a court hearing where the abuser gets his chance to tell his story, and it could be eventually granted as a permanent restraining order or denied depending on your situation. But in the meantime, that's the options you have. I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, list them down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I will see you soon. Bye!